Carcraft, September 1960. Robert de Freeman writes to the magazine, "Since I am 14 and cannot drive yet, I have to content myself with customizing model cars. Enclosed is the result of last summer's work on a Revell station wagon. You can see the rear of the roof has been cut off and the forward section molded into a pickup cab. The grille is off a Revell Lincoln Futurama molded in with clay. Details include a handmade tailgate complete with Nerf bars with dual exhausts routed through them. Also, 56 Ford taillights, sports lakes, moons, and stick shift are included. The engine originated in a Chrysler dragster and is chromed and equipped with 3 carbs. The car has been radically raked and painted metallic blue with white and red scallops. I hope my customizing job rates a place in your fine magazine. Robert de Freeman, Lakeview, Connecticut." His response, "It sure does. Let's see more models. Take a look at page 51 too, Ed." So here is page 51. And here we see AMT kits being previewed. September of 1960. I want to thank Stan Pinho for gifting me this magazine. It was really interesting finding that article there of a 14-year-old expressing to the magazine regarding their build. And you got to think this is a time when features in magazines were starting to begin before the launch of lots of massive brands of magazines curating to cars and also model cars. So there it is. Some great work by Robert de Freeman. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.